Welcome back to the Gen's Wealth, precious one. If you've been hustling on the side, working super hard, but feel like your income is stuck in neutral, chances are you're missing out on some major cashback and rewards out there. In fact, we crunched some numbers and found that the average side hustler could be wasting up to $4,700 a year by using the wrong credit cards. That's almost an extra $1,000 a month sitting on the table. Stop bleeding money and start stacking it with these game-changing credit card hacks. I'm about to expose the top 5 best credit cards. For side hustlers in 2025, each one is strategically designed to help you earn more, save more, and level up your side hustle game. So whether you're selling online, freelancing, flipping, reselling, driving Ubers, door dashing, it doesn't matter what your hustle is, we got you covered. These cards are going to unlock insane rewards, exclusive perks, and crazy high cashback rates that you can use to blow up your business. This is the cheat code that you've been waiting for. Let's go. All right, hustlers, welcome to the future of finance. Welcome to Money Lab, where we turn complex financial topics into easy wins for you. We're talking credit card secrets, investing hacks, side hustle strategies, and so much more, delivered straight to your inbox every single week. This is not your grandma's boring finance channel. We're serving up fresh content that helps you beat the system, level up your income, and build generational wealth. Subscribe right now and join the Money Lab fam. You can thank us later. Now listen, as a side hustler, your needs are different from a 9-to-5 ER. You might have inconsistent income, unexpected business expenses, and always need a little extra cash flow. Well, if you're still paying your bills with a debit card or a credit card that was made for regular folks, let me tell you something, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. That's why in this video, we're breaking down the top credit cards specifically designed for hustlers like you. These cards offer flexible rewards, higher limits and perks that will make your side hustle thrive. You can earn cash back, travel points, and discounts. That will help you take your business to the next level. No more settling for ordinary cards that don't understand your hustle. It's time to level up and join the smarter side of side hustling. So buckle up and get ready to discover the ultimate credit card guide for hustlers. You heard that right, hustlers. These 5 game-changing cards are going to rock your world. They're going to help you crush it in your hustle, earn insane rewards, and level up your financial game. So stick around because we're diving deep into each card, breaking down the details and giving you all the insights you need to choose the perfect one for your hustle. Trust me, this knowledge is pure gold. Up first, we've got the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, the ultimate workhorse for your hustle. It's perfect for beginners who want a no-fuss card with maximum impact. No annual fee, unlimited 1.5% cashback on everything, 5x on internet, phone services, and at office supply stores. With this bad boy, you're earning cash back on all your hustle essentials. You're literally getting paid to work. Plus it's super easy to use, just swipe and go. Chase Inc. Business Unlimited takes the hassle out of managing your finances. You don't need to jump through hoops or play games to earn rewards. It's straightforward and hassle-free. Plus, it's backed by Chase, one of the most trusted names in banking. So, you can rest easy knowing that your money is in good hands. Next up, the American Express Blue Business Plus. This card is designed for hustlers who want to step up their game and enjoy some serious perks. Enjoy 2x membership rewards points on the first $50,000 each year and earn 1 point per dollar after that. It's like having a personal assistant that rewards your hustle. You can use these points to book travel, shop for gift cards, or transfer them to other Amex cards. It's totally up to you. Plus, with the ability to pay over time, you can manage your cash flow and reinvest in your business without breaking a sweat. It's like having a financial wingman that helps you crush your hustle goals. Now, let's talk about the Capital One Spark Cash Select for Business. This card is the ultimate sidekick for your hustle. With unlimited 1.5% cashback and no annual fee, it's the reliable companion that always has your back. Even better, Capital One is known for being super easy to work with, especially if you have limited business credit history or are new to the game. They'll take you in, even if other lenders wouldn't. And with 1.5% unlimited cashback, you're constantly stacking green without any gimmicks or limitations. This card is like having a secret weapon in your hustle arsenal. And with no annual fee, you can keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Brex is the next generation of business spending and credit cards built for today's hustlers. That means no personal guarantee, high credit limits based on your cash flow, and insane rewards like 8x on rideshare and 5x on software and 4x on travel. They don't play games with approvals either. In fact, you might get instant approval even if you don't have a FICO score or much business experience. Their virtual card numbers make you unstoppable too, allowing you to spend online without exposing your real card numbers. Brex is like having a financial partner that understands your hustle and rewards your ambition. And unlike traditional banks, they're on your side, prioritizing your needs and empowering your success. So, if you're ready to level up your hustle game, it's time to join the Brex movement. Last but certainly not least, the Discover It Business Card. This card is like the Robin Hood of credit cards. It fights for you and helps you claim what's rightfully yours. It's a limited 1.5% cashback. No annual fee, and the best part? Discover's famous cashback match in the first year. That's right, the LL match all the cashback you earn in your first year, doubling your rewards and helping you earn even more. Plus, you'll have access to a variety of ways to redeem your cashback, from statement credits to direct deposits into your account. It's your choice. The Discover It Business Card is like having a financial superhero on your side. It fights for you and helps you claim what's rightfully yours. And with Discover's excellent customer service, you can rest easy knowing that you're in good hands. Listen, choosing the right card is crucial for maximizing your rewards and minimizing your risks. That's why it is important to be aware of the mistakes other hustlers are making so you can avoid them. First, carrying a balance. This is a rookie mistake that can cost you big time. Interest rates can quickly add up and eat into your hustle profits. Never let that happen. Paying off your balance in full should be your top priority. Second, mixing personal and business expenses. Keep your personal and business finances separate. Don't mix them together. It'll only lead to bookkeeping nightmares and headaches. You'll thank me later. Third, applying for too many cards at once. Slow down. Applying for multiple credit cards at once can ding your credit score and hurt your chances of getting approved. Take it easy and apply for one card at a time. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how you can supercharge your rewards and multiply your earnings. First, use your side hustle card for all of your business-related expenses. From gas to supplies to software, make every purchase count. Second, pay off your card in full before the statement closes. This is key to avoiding interest charges and keeping more money in your pocket. And third, stack your cash back with apps like Rakuten or Honey. Double dip those rewards and watch your earnings grow. Fourth, funnel all your ad spend through your rewards card. This is a game changer. You're essentially buying customers and getting free flights at the same time. Fifth, track your spending and redeem rewards strategically. Know what you're spending on and redeem your rewards in a way that benefits you the most. And that, hustlers, is the cheat code you've been waiting for. These cards and secrets are your passport to financial freedom. So, which card will you choose for your hustle? Leave a comment and let us know. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay tuned for more money secrets. Thanks for watching.